In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a document from OneDrive. Whether you're clearing up space, organizing your files, or simply removing outdated documents, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, we need to log into your Microsoft account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft login page. If you're not already signed in, make sure to enter your credentials. This is a crucial step as access to your OneDrive files is linked directly to your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the Apps Launcher icon in the upper left corner of your screen. It looks like a grid of small squares. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to all Microsoft apps and services you have access to. In the Apps Launcher menu, you'll see several options. Locate the OneDrive icon and click on it. This will take you to your OneDrive dashboard, where all your files and folders are stored in the cloud. Now that you're on the OneDrive interface, find the My Files section. This is usually prominently displayed and acts as the main directory for your documents. Click on it to reveal your files and folders. Next, browse through your folders to find the one that contains the document you want to delete. Clicking on this folder will open its contents, making it easier to locate the specific document. Once inside the folder, locate the document you wish to remove. Click on the document to select it. You'll notice that selecting a document highlights it and activates various options above. After selecting your document, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. You'll find this beside the file name. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take. From the drop-down menu, click on Delete. This action will remove your selected document from its current location in OneDrive. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct document before deletion to avoid accidental data loss. Finally, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the document. Review the details and once you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This step ensures that you don't accidentally remove important files. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a document from OneDrive. This process is straightforward but worth taking the necessary precautions, particularly with valuable files. Remember, if you make a mistake and delete the wrong file, you can usually retrieve it from the recycle bin in OneDrive, but it's always good to double check before making such deletions. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.